Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the exact question you need to answer. This focuses everything. Once done, pick the variables and the primary measure, like sum or percent, and limit the time range. Make sure to inspect and clean a representative sample. Correct types, drop duplicates, and impute or flag nulls. Then, choose an initial chart type that speaks to the question. You'll move from question to clean data to first visualization in a single flow. Don't delay. You now construct the visualization by mapping fields to axes, color, size, or facet. Do this deliberately so each encoding has a purpose. Once mapped, apply aggregation and filters to reveal trends and add calculated metrics to reduce noise. Try 2 or 3 chart types to see which exposes the story best and adjust scales, bin widths, and annotations. Make sure to iterate. Small tweaks to labels, ordering, or color palettes often clarify meaning dramatically. You finish by polishing labels, concise title, contextual subtitle, units, legend, and a source note so viewers trust the chart. Then validate the output, ask a peer to reproduce a key metric, and investigate any anomalies or outliers you find. Once validated, export the visual in the appropriate format and save the underlying data and template for reuse. If something goes wrong, check data types and filters first. Most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.